This conference will now be recorded.
So today's agenda is today we are going to discuss about how to extract streaming or live data which is available from the website. So that means suppose I have a website URL is there. I want to extract the live data which is available on the website to my Power BI desktop. So is it possible? So then the answer is yes. Okay. So now in today's discussion, I'm going to tell you how to extract live streaming data or live data from the website to Power BI desktop that we are going to discuss in today's session. Okay. So now when I say streaming data or live data, let me take a basic example. Okay. Suppose I have a website called holiday list. Okay. I have a website called holiday list. So basically I have a website called holiday list, publicholidays.co.nz, publicholidays.co.nz. Even if you can access till this point, you will be able to see this. So this is the public holidays of New Zealand country that they are going to maintain under this particular website. Okay. So in this website, you will be able to see the holiday information for 2018, public holiday information for 2019, public holiday information for 2020, like that. Right now it is having say 4 years with along school holidays. Okay. So in general, I mean, even you can have 100 years holiday information. Even you can have 100 years of holiday informations within the website. Now my point is, if you try to see here, this website is having holiday information. Now I want to understand, I want to perform some kind of analytical operations on this particular data. Okay, so how can I perform that? So first of all, if I want to perform any kind of analytics on the live streaming data or data which is available on the website, first I need to extract this website data to the Power BI. So then only I'll be able to perform any kind of analytics. So that is the point here. Now how to extract? Suppose I want to see 2018 data. So click on 2018. Try to observe the URL part here. Just try to observe the URL part when I'm clicking 2018, 2019, 2020. If you see the URL, are you able to find any difference in the URLs?
Year change.
If yes, what is the difference that you're able to see?
Year change. Year.
Yes, except year change, all other URL wording and complete letters are same. So when I'm just seeing, the year number is keep on changing, except that everything is fine, right? Now that is a point here, note down. And also, how many total number of holidays are there? I think somewhere like 21 days or something like that. Some holidays are there. So if you see for 2018, almost there is a similarity. New Year's Day, New Year's Day, day after New Year's Day, day after New Year's Day. So public list is there. Okay, for 2018, for 2019. Now my requirement is, first requirement, how to extract holiday I want to extract holidays info. When I say holidays info, I want to extract holiday info for 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. I think 4 years, right? Yes, all years data I want to extract. Point one. Second requirement is I want to append the result. Append the results means I want to append the holidays of 2018, holidays of 2019, holidays of 2020, holidays of 2021. I want to append as a result. That is my second requirement. Third requirement, okay, now how to extract month name from date. How to extract month name from date column in Power BI. Second requirement. Same third requirement. Okay, fourth requirement. My fourth requirement is how to extract day name from the date column in Power BI. Then fifth requirement, how to extract day number. Okay, so day number from the date column in Power BI. After all doing this, how to extract or how to apply a condition saying that when I extract a column, when I say I'm able to see as generally, when I say quarters, say when I say quarter one, generally what is going to be the values for quarter one? So it is going to be January, February, March. Quarter two, it is going to be April, May, June. Then quarter three, it is going to be July, August, September. Okay, then quarter four, October, November, December. Directly I'm giving a project scenario. Okay, so when I'm extracting, see, if you see the third requirement, in the third requirement, what are we actually doing? We are extracting the month name from the date column. Okay, so when I'm extracting the month, so definitely that will give either January or February or something like that. Now if I get a list of 20 records or 30 records, each record is falling under which quarter I want to understand. Okay, how to apply a condition, on the column to implement quarter logic. So these are the requirements. In today's session we are going to cover. Okay, so these are all the requirements that we are going to cover. So at least in terms of requirements perspective, are you clear or do you have any questions? How to achieve, forget about it now, but did you understand the requirement, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
who will, because this is important, so like kind of live scenario I'm taking in my project. So Ravi sir, what about you? Are you clear with the requirement, what actually we are trying to do? Sir, I'm not able to hear you. Okay, maybe if you can ping, that should be fine. What about others, like Kirti, Naveen? Shweta?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
sir.
clear,
Everything
sir.
is clear, sir. Clear.
Okay, requirement is clear, right? Now right, so I have my Power BI desktop, I have my website created here. Now I want to first select the 2018. First let me take the 2018 data to Power BI desktop. How can I do that? So steps, if you want, you can write down offline, I mean maybe in your own terms. First copy the URL. I'm just trying to copy the URL because I'm trying to extract the streaming data by connecting to the website. So this is my URL. I'm just trying to copy this. Go to the Power BI desktop, get data. Now this time my data source is not Excel, not SQL Server, not Oracle, not Analysis, not CSV, anything. But what it is going to be my source? My source is going to be web. Okay, so web. So select this web. Select this web. Whatever the URL that you have been copied, I'm going in a slow manner. If you're not able to understand, please raise your voice. Okay, right, whatever you're able to see URL, I'm just copy pasting the URL and I'm clicking on OK. It's very simple, it's very simple. Okay, so when I am trying to extract the data from the website, it is giving that website is having this many data. Okay, let me just select this. I'm not checking the checkbox. I'm just trying to see the data. Okay, so I'm able to see holiday name and okay, this is the one. Okay, if I say table 2, I have something else. Okay, I mean within the website we have this data also. Okay, so which is column 3, column 4, okay, something like that. But my focus is to capture the holidays information. So let me select the first sheet. And now you guys tell me, if I want to perform all these logics, now you tell me whether I have to click load or transform data. What if I click load, what happens? What if I click transform data, what happens? Quickly, can anybody tell me? Because I have to wind up by 11:30. I need to catch up other meetings.
If we want to apply any kind of logic, then we have to go for transform data.
Definitely, we have so many logics to implement now. Okay, so obviously we have to go for transform data. Please go on mute. Please go on mute. Okay, okay. Okay, so successfully I have extracted the live data which is present on the website. Just try to compare. So the same data. Okay, last is Boxing Day, last is Boxing Day, right? Now we just try to do some kind of basic formattings. See, when you're trying to load the data, see, try to see what is your column names. It is holiday and a date, but when you're extracting, it is giving some default column names as column 1, column 2, column 3. But to make column names as holiday and date, what I have to do? Simply I have to go and make use first row as header, so that whatever the first row is there, it is going to be promoted as headers, so that I'll be able to see the same format. Okay, now when I say click on that, I'll be able to see now holiday and data as my headers. Clear, guys?
Sorry, sir. I missed that. Did you upload an upload option or transform data?
Transform data.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're not able to see my screen, guys?
Sir, now it's fine. Now it's
Okay, right. Now if you see here, when you're extracting data from live, I'm able to see first column as a complete empty column, but I don't need this column. So what I have to do, simply right click on this, click on remove. Done. Okay, let me give some proper renaming for this. So I have extracted for holidays 2018. So let me double click here. Let me give this as a holidays holiday hyphen 2018. Press enter. So whatever the data that I'm able to see is for holiday 2018 that I have extracted by connecting to the data source as my website. Perfect. Now what next? Okay, now first I want to extract a year column here. First I want to extract a year column. How to extract year column? Okay, to do that, go to add columns. Go to add columns. So there is a custom column, there is a column called custom column. Try to read the description. Create a new column in this table based on a custom formula. So my requirement is I want to add a column here called year column, and I know, like, this, since it is a 2018 data, I need to all these 25 records to be replaced with the 2080 as a year. 2080 as a year. So that is my requirement. So how to do that? By using a custom column. So go to add columns, click on custom column. When you're clicking on custom column, it will ask you for to give some kind of two parameters. One is your name of the label. So it is going to be year, and you need to provide the proper formula for that. So I know I have extracted this for 2018, so I'm giving this as a value as a 2018. The moment if I click on OK, all the one new column is going to be created, and it is going to be updated with as a 2018 value. See, all the records got loaded as a 2018. Till this point, are you clear? Quickly, we don't have time, guys.
Yes,
We are
sir.
running out. Right, perfect. Now next
Yes,
requirement.
sir.
Okay, yeah, so append thing we will do later, but for now let me extract. I have okay, here I need to add one more thing, like year, right? I haven't mentioned here, but anyway, I have achieved this. I want to now extract month name. So I want to extract now month name. How can I do that? So I can do that. See, first select the column. Selection criteria is important. Now in this date selection, see what is my requirement? How to extract month name from the date column in the Power BI. This is a date column. Out of 3 columns, which column is a date column? Obviously second column. So from this date column, I want to extract month name. First record, what is the month name? It is January. Second record, January, then February, March. I want to extract the month name. Okay. So erase all. How to extract? First selection is important. Select this column, go to add columns, go to columns from examples, from selection. Now how to extract? It is very simple. It is very simple. Simply, what is the first record's value? You are just going to type the first record value as a JANUARY. JANUARY. Simply press enter. Automatically corresponding records month name got extracted in the new column. If you want to give a column name as month name, you can give this as a month underscore name. Press enter, press OK. Quickly tell me, properly got converted?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Who is giving this? Who is doing all these things? Your Power BI desktop itself is doing. The moment when you enter first value of the record, automatically conversion has been taken for all the records. Right now I have 25 records. Even if you have 10 lakhs records or 1 lakh record, your Power BI itself will try to convert all 10 lakhs records in fraction of seconds. So that is the beauty of it. Internally, they have created their algorithms in such a way. Now, okay, let us not spend much time on algorithms. Right now, my third requirement is completed. I have successfully extracted my month name from the date column. Now, what is my next thing? I want to extract day name from the date column. Again, criteria is important. Selection criteria is important. Suppose if I select this and if I say some from selection column, so then definitely the criteria will not matches. So select the date column, go to add columns from example from selection. What you want, you want a day name similar to the month. You have to give the first records day name. You're able to see as a Monday. Okay, simply give MONDAY, press enter. Right now you have 25 records. For all the 25 records, corresponding day name got extracted from the selected date column and it has been displayed. Now just try to rename this by double clicking. Rename this as a day underscore name. Guys, are you getting?
Yes,
Simply
sir.
click
Yes,
on
sir.
OK. Perfectly all right. So your day name is also perfectly fine. Okay, your day name is right. For till third and fourth is completed. Please go on mute, guys. Okay, okay, right. Now how to extract a day number, fifth requirement. Okay, same selection again is important. Selection date column, add columns from selection. What you want to apply, day number. So simply try to give a 1, press enter. You're able to see second, third extracted, but I don't want in second, 29th. No, I don't want like that, just numberings. So for that, for dates only, sometimes you always better to enter not only for one value, for 2 to 3 records, only for dates. Second record is 2, again enter. See now that termination, that ndth values got gone. So now I'm going to give this as a day number. Press OK. Perfectly all right. So I have created month name. I have extracted month name from the date, day name, day number. Why I have extracted month name? Because I want to perform a logic in the, see, till 3 4 5 we have completed. 3 4 5 we have completed. I want to extract a sixth logic of what is a quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Okay, so that means first is I'm able to see first record January, 8th record as March, 7th record as March. So January comes under quarter 1, March comes under quarter 1, April comes under quarter 2. So I want to implement this logic to append this. Okay, okay. For convenient purpose, what I will do, I will just try to I will try to move this column to the right end, to the end, for convenience purpose, nothing else. Okay, if I want to move from left to right, right to left, suppose if I want to move this, simply go here, move to the beginning, okay. If you want to move to the end, so go to here, and just for comparison purpose I'm doing perfectly all right. Now next requirement is I have implemented some logics for 2018. Like that, in this website, I have 2019, 2020, 2021. If you see my first requirement, what is my first requirement? I want to extract holiday information for all the years and I want to perform all the result and I want to append the result. So 1 and 2 are not completed. I want to complete this. So I have till now, I have completed for 2018 information. 2018 information I have completed. Correct, guys? Till this point, do you have any questions?
Yeah, it's clear.
No, clear, sir.
Okay, now I want to perform the same kind of logic for 2019, 2020, 2018, 2021, so something like that. So how can I do that? Same process. Okay, go to here, again click on 2019, take the URL, copy, and again come back to Power BI desktop, then click data source as a web and extract all, then create a custom column of here, then select the date column, then perform the logics for day name, day number, and month name, all these things. So how much time you will take? I mean, it will take minimum of 5 to 10 minutes. But do you have any shortcuts for this? Can I create everything in say just 2 to 3 seconds? So the option is yes, you can. How? So I'm going to show you the shortcut. Okay, everything is there. See, I have started my session at 10:35, so 11:3. So to achieve this, we have taken almost at least 15 to 20 minutes of time. Now I want to do the same kind of logic for 2019 in just say 2 to 3 seconds. So is it possible? Or max 5 seconds? Is it possible? So then option is yes. How? Simply I'm going to right click and I'll say duplicate, and I will try to rename this as a 2019. Press enter. So my 2019. But is it sufficient or is it the proper way? Can anybody tell me?
Website, I think we need to upload.
See, you have duplicated 2018 and you as a new copy, and you have renamed the file name as a 2019. But try to see here, still you are able to see 2019 value, 18 values in the year. Correct? For 2019 also, you'll be able to see that. That means the data is not properly logically manipulated for 2019. So there is something we need to do more. Can anybody just try to guess?
Sir, I think data source should be 2019.
Correct. So that means, but we have just copied that, but we have not the logic we have not changed. So where we need to change that logic, even if you know little bit of knowledge on M language, it is easy for you to create all these things in a 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, that's why I've confidently tell you that we can achieve this in a 2 to 3 seconds. So how? By making use of advanced editors, M language mashup language code, which Power BI desktop will understand. How can I do that? See, simply duplicating the complete query set as in 2019, that doesn't going to be help. That is not going to be the accurate data, because if you go and see for New Year's Day data, January 2019, see 2019, New Year's Day is on Tuesday first, but New Year's Day is on Monday first. So this is not the correct. So how to do that? Simply, I'm going to update some values in the advanced editor. Okay, go to advanced editor, click here. How many places I need to update? That is the tricky part. So we need to update in 2 places. One is in the URL place, website URL place, as instead of 2018, we are going to provide as a 2019. Other place, we have created a custom column, right? But for that, the formula value that we have given as a 2019, 18, and we need to give as a 2019. Correct? That's it. That is the beauty. That is the advantage of if you know little bit of M language code. So simply click on done. Since okay, column not found. Okay, what is that? Go to advanced editor. 2019. Table found. Okay. I'll quickly just a second. I'll delete this. I have my 2018 data. Okay, I have my 2018 data. So these 3 columns, and I'm simply removing the columns. Okay, 3 columns I have removed. Okay, now what I'm trying to do, I'm just right clicking and I'm duplicating this complete table. Where is the duplicate option? Duplicate. And I'm renaming, please go on mute guys. And I'm renaming this as a 2019. Press enter. 2 places I have to rename. Okay, go to advanced editor. Say it is 2019 one place, and also 2019 another place. simply press OK. Expression, the column of the table was not found. Why?
Sir, actually, when we are like loading the data from the website, there were only 2 columns, right, sir?
Okay, latestly I mean in the current situations they have added okay, let me extract. Okay, let me extract this for manual way. Just a second. See, go to holidays information. Okay, now select the source as web. We'll try to see how many sheets are there. Okay, for suppose if it is for 2020, so let me copy this and select this and this. What it is doing? URL. So while working with this URLs, make sure your internet connectivity is in proper. Okay. Okay, here see, if you see in the previous scenario the tables was like the sheets was different, and this scenario the sheets was different. That's why it is giving some problem. Don't worry, select this table, select this particular thing and try to say okay, okay. This is for 2020, right? We are doing 2020 and I'm removing the first null values and I'm using first row as headers. Done. I'm giving this as a holiday hyphen 2020. Press enter. Okay, holiday hyphen 2020, enter. Okay, now go to add column. I'm creating a custom invoke column. This is a year. Okay, this is something we have already done. Okay, 2020 and press OK. Now let me take a duplicate of this. Okay, now successfully I've extracted 2020 data. Let me take a duplicate of this. So since it is a, suppose this is for 2021, press enter. Okay, so go to advanced editor of this. Try to change since from 2020 to 2021 and 2021 and press done. Yes, guys, try to see the reason behind this is, see, actually whatever the data that is there, this is a live data. Okay, maybe when I was explaining in the previous batch, that time maybe when I'm extracting I'll be able to see only two sheets, but after that they may add some more sheets in this. So if you have anything related to sheet miscommunication or sheet discrepancies, so then that time you will be able to see this kind of errors. Okay, but for 2020 2021 same number of sheets are there, so that is the reason it is allowing, and it is able to create 2011-21 data. How can you say that? Because by taking the shortcut, because simply you have taken the shortcut and you have renamed it to 2021. So if you know the M language, it is easy for you to do this kind of validations. So are you clear, guys, why we got an issue and what is the root cause of that particular issue? Quickly, Surya.
Yes, sir.
Ravi sir.
Yes, sir.
Ravi
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Because
clear, sir.
that time the sheets was different, like number of sheets was different for 2018, since it is a older model, and in the newer model they have implemented some more, they have added some more sheets. So when I'm just trying to duplicating, it was giving some problem. But for 2020-21 I have taken the shortcut way. Okay, I have taken the shortcut way. Till this point you are clear, right? Now Now let me perform append operation. I have 2020 data, I have 2018 data, I have 2021 data. Let me append into one query. How to do that? Simply, as we have already discussed, go to append queries as new. Append queries as new. Okay, so give first table is how many things you need to update. I need to append 3 things, so you have to say 3 or more tables. So 2000, so let me remove this. So let me add 2018, then 2020, 2021 plus okay. I have not performed 2019 because that's okay, we will perform, maybe you can practice for that. Okay, why we are getting this privacy option? Because for every website there will be having some kind of security points, security checkpoints, wherein you need to satisfy the security checkpoints. Okay, so you need to uncheck the checkpoint. So for that, simply click on continue, and you need to ignore the security checks and click on save. All the tables, like all 2018, 2020, 2021 data is going to be combined as a single result, and it is going to be displayed now. But while performing all these things, make sure your internet connectivity should be faster manner, because it is trying to hit 3 URLs and it is extracting, it is performing merge kind of append operations on the result. So make sure you should have a proper internet connectivity. See guys, so the results got properly. Okay, let me right now delete this last column, I don't want this. Okay, right, so this is the append underscore data. Okay, right, now try to see total how many records are there. Total 75 records are there. Okay, if you see, total 75 records are there. Say first 25 are for 2018, second 25 are for 2020, third 25 are for 2021. Till this point, are you clear guys? Any questions here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shweta, Suri, Ravi sir, Naveen.
It's clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now quickly perform how to extract the month name, day name and all. Okay, so select the column criteria. I'm just repeating again. So date, go to add columns. So columns from example selections. Okay, as I told you, when I want to extract month name, simply I need to provide the first value of that, say JANUARY. Press enter. Automatically Power BI has been converted, okay, extracted that from the date column. Okay, so since it is a month name, so I'm going to give this as a month underscore name. Press enter. Your month name column is ready. Press OK. Okay, now go to here. So we have completed this part, first requirement, we have completed second requirement, we have completed third requirement. We need to complete fourth 5 requirements now. Okay, again selection criteria, select date column, add columns, column from example selections. Okay, so now I want to say day name. So first is Monday. Let me provide first value as MONDAY. Press enter. Automatically Power BI is converting. I'm giving this as a day underscore name column. Press enter and press OK. 2 columns got created. Again select the date column. I want to extract day number. So go to column from examples, from selection column. Here you need to provide the values for date. Say first is 1. Press enter. It is having second, I don't want NDTH values, so provide for 2. So something like that. Okay, so simply give the column name as day underscore number. Press enter and press OK. Only for date numbers, day numbers, we have to enter at least 2 to 3 values. For day name and month name, you don't need to provide three values. Just if you provide one value for the first record, automatically your Power BI will takes care of it. Now for convenient purpose, for output convenience purpose, I want to move my month name column in the last. So select this particular column, right click and move towards end. Right, why I'm moving this? Because I want to compare some output here. Now what is this thing? So first 5 requirements I have completed. Last requirement logic in this. So what do you mean by quarter? In a year we will be having 4 quarters: January, February, March first quarter, April, May, June second quarter, July, August, September third quarter, October, November, December fourth quarter. I want to understand. So that means I want to create a new column here as a quarter column. In this, it has to display first record is from which quarter. Is it for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4? That kind of logic that I have to apply for all the 75 records. Right now I have 75 records. Even if you have 1 lakh records, this logic has to be implemented and it has to give the proper quarter name logic. So how to do that? So that is a point here. So erase all. Okay, now to implement that, Power BI has a column called conditional column. So click on the conditional column, click on the conditional column, because we need to apply some conditions wherein we need to define the conditions. Okay, what type of conditions? I mean, I'm giving this as a quarter underscore name. This is a label of the column, label of the conditional column. I'm giving this as a quarter underscore name. Right, the moment I'm creating a conditional column, try to understand here what is a conditional column. That means this column will involves lot of conditions. What type of conditions? It is like, simply if conditions. If column name, if my I want to perform condition on month name column. If my month name equals to, if my month name equal to January, January, I have to say Q1. I have to say Q1. I want to, like that, I need to add all the conditions. So if I want to add one more condition, click on add clause. Okay, like that, how many I need to add? 3, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Okay, if my month name equals to FEB RUARY, make sure you should give a proper spelling, like proper value for it. Okay, even if you miss one single letter, then it is going to be a problem. That field will not get validated. FEB, where is that? FEB UARY, FEB UARY. Okay, February. So February is also coming from as a quarter 1. If your month name equals to MARCH, so then it is going to be again quarter 1. But if month name equal to April, then it has to be displayed as a quarter 2. If month name again equal to April, May, it is going to be quarter 3. Sorry, quarter 2. If month name equals to April, May, June, JUN. If month name is equal to JUN, okay, JUNE, then you have to say Q3. Sorry, Q2 only. April, May, June. Okay, sorry, Q2. Okay, like that, manually you are giving some conditions in the logic. Okay, automatically it will build a conditions, if conditions. If month name equal to, next is April, May, June, July, JULY. Okay, July, it is going to be quarter 3. If your month name equal to June, July, AUG, August, it is going to be quarter 3. Okay, quarter 3. Okay, and I add one more column. If your month name equals to June, July, August, September, SCP, okay, is equals to Q3. And again add one more thing. So where are we in terms of that? We have handled till September. So that means I need to create 3 more conditions. So but for 3 more conditions, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to implement all these 3 conditions into one condition saying September. Other than these conditions, I'm going for a else case and I'm passing this as a Q4. That means I'm removing this also. I have handled till September, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Other than whatever I have valid, whatever I have validated, whatever the other value comes, it is going to be replaced with Q4. So the other value is nothing but whether it is October or November or December, it is going to be replaced with the Q4. Simply click on OK. See, automatically the logics has been implemented and properly calculated for all 75 rows. See, let me verify for few of the records. So January Q1, March Q1, April Q2, September. Why it is giving Q4? That means your condition is not valid. September is in Q4? No, right? Wantedly I have did some, yeah, because okay, now I feel for September it is not validating, but for all others it is validating. See, for October Q4, perfect. For November for Q4, December Q4, but only for September it should be Q3, but it is giving Q4. The reason behind it is I have given SEP, not completely a September. So how to change that logic again? So simply click here. Okay, simply click on the gear symbol. Come to your SEP. Instead of SEP, you have to give complete name. September. Okay, September, and click OK. Now try to see September falls under which quarter?
Q3.
Q3. So guys, clear till this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes, sir.
entered it as a correct, right? So I have updated it. So proper. Actually, I wantedly I have entered like that because whenever if you're entering something like this, if you want to suppose I have entered something else, small mistake. So if I want to rebuild the logic, I need to write entire things. So instead of writing entire things, just we need to do some little bit of change in one particular point of time, one particular place. Like instead of SCP, I have to provide September instead of creating everything, all the columns. So how to do that? So that is the reason I've wantedly done that. So if you want to do that kind of things, you simply go to that particular step, right side top corner, double click on this, double click on the gear symbol or setting symbol. There it will allow you to edit your conditions and simply click on OK. So now try to see all the columns got extracted with proper values. Hope this is clear. Any questions guys till this point? If you have any questions, do let me know. I need everyone's participation.
Yeah.
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Naveen, Ravi sir, Rupa, Surya,
Yes.
Sweta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Actually, on top of it, tomorrow we are going to discuss one more important topic. Is that tomorrow what we are going to discuss is right now I have 2018, 2019, 2020, 21. I want to automate this everything by using a function. That means I'm going to pass year as a parameter. I will create a function, and when I run that function automatically in this website, even if I have 100 years of data, it will run in fraction of seconds and it will try to give you the result. How to do that we will discuss tomorrow as a custom invoke functions. Okay, so any questions guys?
No, it's